What if you could stop guessing and actually front-run every altcoin pump in 2026 using cold, hard data? What is up, everyone? Welcome back to tokens.fye. Today, we are diving deep into the world of on-chain analysis to identify the exact signals that precede a massive price surge. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional framework to spot accumulation before the retail crowd even wakes up. Between our research at tokens.fye and the deep dive insights over at coherencedaddy.com, we've tracked the most successful movements in the TX ecosystem and beyond. Signal 1: Whale accumulation and wallet clustering. The first signal is the most obvious but hardest to track manually: whale clustering. In 2026, we aren't just looking for one big buy, but a coordinated move across multiple new wallets. When you see smart money distributing tokens across a cluster of wallets, it's often a sign that a coordinated pump is being prepared. Keep an eye on the TX ecosystem specifically, where transparency allows us to see these movements in real time. If the supply is leaving exchanges and entering private cold storage, the sell pressure is dropping, creating a powder keg for a price spike. Signal 2: DeFi liquidity influx. Next, let's talk about DeFi liquidity. You cannot have a sustainable altcoin pump without liquidity. Look for a surge in total value locked, or TVL, within the project's native DeFi protocols before the price moves. When liquidity providers start flooding a pool, it creates a stable floor and an incentive for arbitrageurs to push the price higher. Check the DeFi dashboards on tokens.fye to see which assets are gaining liquidity depth relative to their market cap. Signal 3: Developer activity and commit spikes. The third signal is the most underrated: GitHub and developer activity. Price follows value, and value is built by code. In 2026, a sudden spike in commits or a surge of new developers joining the TX ecosystem is a leading indicator of an upcoming catalyst or mainnet upgrade. If the code is moving, but the price is flat, you've found a divergence. That is the golden window to front-run the pump. Combine this with on-chain data, and you have a high probability setup. Putting it together, the convergence model. One signal is a hint, three signals are a confirmation. We call this the convergence model. When you see whale accumulation, rising DeFi liquidity, and increased developer commits all happening simultaneously, the probability of a pump increases exponentially. Don't chase the green candle. Use these on-chain signals to enter while the market is still quiet. For more advanced strategies on how to filter this noise, head over to coherencedaddy.com. Watch for whale clustering and exchange outflows. Monitor DeFi liquidity and TVL growth. Track developer commits and ecosystem growth in the TX ecosystem. The era of guessing is over. In 2026, the data is available to everyone. The only difference is who knows how to read it. If this helped you level up your game, hit that subscribe button and join the tokens.fye community. Smash the like button if you're bullish on the TX ecosystem this year. Which altcoin are you tracking on-chain right now? Let us know in the comments below.